Hey guys, it's Iman. It's time for Walgreens Cheap deals this week, the week of 118 to 124, guys. If you are a beginner couponer, a homesteader, you have a farm stand, it is so many free things you could get up in here this week that go very well with those type of places. I started canning and preserving, so it's tons of things. The first thing we walk into is Walgreens tissue, $1.88 for 4 counts. Guys, whenever you see this deal, new beginner coupon to stock up. If you really want to know what the hot deals are, pick up their best deals of the week. I'm going to use this $3 coupon that I had from last week on my tissue. Now, it is so many orange tags around here, guys. Please make sure when you do the orange tags, scan them, because usually it is more deals off. Now, you see this? That is the Walgreens itch relief. That's $2.79. It really was 64 cents. And then here's the insect repellent for $1.19. The cutter for 68 cents. And then another insect repellent for 93 cents. So start looking for those deals at all the stores. Now, the first deal I want to get to is the Suavitel. It's $3.49. It's on sale for $2.99. Now, when I scan, I see that it's $2.99. I also have a $1 off 1 coupon. Now, along with that is when you buy 2, you get a $2 register reward when you start after you purchase it, okay? Okay, guys, so with the Palmolive right here, antibacterial soap. Yes, guys, I use this for hand soap. It's $2.99. Buy 2, you get a $2 register reward. I'm going to add this along with my Suavitel so that I can get $1 off both items, all right? Now, what I do with this, like I said, is $2.99. We're going to add that up to $5.98. Take away your $1 off Suavitel, your 1 off your Palmolive, leaves you at $3.98. Now, once you get your $2 back, after you cash out, you will pay $1.98 or 99 cents each. I am going to get at least 5 to 6 hand soaps out of that 1 Palmolive. Now, the Glade right here is $2.29. You'll save 30 cents, $1.99. But scan it, guys, because do you see this one over to the side? It says on sale now for $1.49. You want to see, more than likely, that's the price of the ones that is on clearance also. So there it is for $1.49. Use friends 20 to get those. Now, I'm going to pick up 2 cans of these. I do need these to go in my some boxes I'm going to do. So here's the Febreze Small Space. That is on sale for $3.49. And you have a $2.50 coupon. Now, this is the cheapest it's been at any store. You're going to pay 99 cents for it. That's an awesome deal right there. So we're going to get those 2. Now, don't forget that $2 register reward that I collect. I'm going to use them on those 2 Glades. So now we're at the point where I only got a couple of items to pay for. We're on a budget. Now, here are the 4 for $10 items, which are really $2.50 each, but you need to buy 4 in order to get the deal. I will stock up, if you are a beginner couponer, I will stock up on the detergent, because that is what you want to start your stockpiles off on. 4 for $10. This Tide Simply, it works just as good as the other ones, guys. And then you have the different Downies, Gains, and Unstoppables. Now, over here, we're looking at our freebie storage bags. Homesteaders, farm stands, and beginners. This is where you come in at. They are $3.79. Buy 1 at $2.79, get 2 free. So you're going to buy 1 and you're going to get 2 free. So you're going to pick up 3 of those items right there. So $2.79. Divide that by 3, and you're going to pay 93 cents for them, okay? That is another good deal. That's an awesome deal right there, because you want to make sure you're keeping up with what's going on. Now, the Walgreens aluminum foil is on sale for $3.29. Buy 1, get 1 free also, which is a good deal. You always want to participate in the freebies. That's how you stock up. So you're going to pay $1.64. Don't forget you have the parchment paper also, and the scratch paper. Now, this is the big napkins. That's originally $2.49. They're on sale for $1.88. Whenever I see this, guys, for $1.88, I'm gonna pick those up. I am not brand loyal, because brands are not loyal to you. Now, I thought this was an awesome deal too. The Walgreens paper towel is $5. Buy 2 at $5 each, get 1 free. Those paper towels are actually bigger than a Scott paper towel. Did you guys know that? Yes, you get more on that one than you do with Scott. So let's do the math. Divided by $3.33, which is not a big deal from what we buy with Scott. It's not. So I'm going to pick up 3 of those. New couponers. If you could find better deals at stores, use them. Now, you could separate that if you want to and use your Walgreens cash. Now, the Walgreens tissue is $1.29. The facial tissue, you get a 50-cent coupon off on that. Now, they are 2 for $2. But that 50 cent only come off 1. 2 for $2, you're going to collect 2 of those if you get it. All right. So 79 cents. But I don't think that I want that. You could either pick that up or you could pick the long facial tissues up right here. But I see these that I need for my kids' book bags and my purse. So I think I'm going to grab those tissues right there. I scanned it just to make sure the coupon attached, and it does. Now, the Walgreens trash bags are $1.88. Little small garbage cans, office bags, grab those. That's good for those. Now, I don't think this is a good deal, but it is to show 2 for $2. Buy 2 Pepsi or Mountain Dew and you get 2 free. They're $11.49 each. That adds up to $45, but you want to take that $11.49 off twice. Takes you all the way down to $22. Deduct that by $5.74. See, that's not cheap. But if you want to use your Walgreens cash, you can. This is a good deal on the Lipton tea. They are 4 for $3. Hey guys, drop me a comment if you're enjoying this video. So you're going to pay 75 cents for the Arizona tea. I'm sorry. The water is also 2 for $6 or $3 each, which I think they toggling with what to do with their water, because it's been like 4 different prices for the last couple of years. Now the Post honey bunches of oats are $1.99. That is very cheap for Post cereal. We usually have to pay a lot. So I'm going to pick up the strawberry because I don't think they taste it. I'm almond. And I did find a box of Fruity Pebbles. Now, don't forget the Walgreens vitamins. All the vitamins are buy one, get one. These are $3.49. But I want you guys to see this right here. It's a lot of high value coupons and for the vitamin area and throughout the store. Some of them are unlimited use. You see that $5 off of the Huggies, the $1.50 off of the teas, the $7 off the body washes. Then you have 4 off Irish Spring. You got $7 off of Always, $2.50 off of 1 Colgate, $3 off of this blended bottle, which I like that bottle. I have it. It's a blender bottle. So those are awesome coupons, guys. Make sure you go through them and see what do you have on hand. I have a couple of coupons, some spin deals, boosters I'm going to use on this deal. Now, if you use a booster, make sure you do not use those other coupons, those register rewards, because it'll bring your booster will not kick in. All right. So I have a spend 15, earn $5. Expires tomorrow. That's in store and online, so I could go online. Then I have a spend 35, earn $7. Now I think that's the one that I'll be using because I'm going to pick up a couple of more products. And then I have that 4 off 2 P&G. So I can actually pick up 2 toothbrushes that my son told me, he need those in his book bag just to have them, I guess. So I have a $4 off 2 for the toothbrushes, and so they're coming in at $3.57. Sorry, I'm out of frame, guys, and at least you are paying $1.50.